學任何語言都要學好 grammar 呢一點冇得拗噶啦。但係留意咧 grammar 係演變緊嘅。莎士比亞名作《Hamlet》王子復仇記裏邊有咁，王子父親嘅鬼魂出現，對王子話 ：Sleeping in my orchard, a serpent stung me。意思咧就係我喺果園瞓覺嗰陣時候，有條毒蛇咬我。沙翁係詩性啊，但係佢嘅 grammar 以今日嘅尺度睇咧，好有問題。首先個 mine 字咧要轉做 my， 呢個咧係絕對冇得選擇噶啦。Sleeping in my orchard 咧就係所謂 phrase 係用個 present participle 開始嘅，作用咧就係我哋形容整句嘅 subject。喺呢個情況下咧就係條蛇，咁啊怪啦，究竟係條蛇瞓覺啊，抑或係我瞓覺呢？以今日嘅尺度睇咧，成句應該改為 Sleeping in my orchard, I was stung by a serpent， 或者 I was stung by a serpent while I was sleeping in my orchard。沙翁冇錯，只不過時代改咗啫。